Hey, welcome to episode 9, and today we're going to talk about company culture. Our company culture, everyone has one. Um, it's really dependent on does the company actually work on it, with a purpose, or is it just formed naturally, right? Um, what what we have and what I try to do is actively work on our company culture. Our culture is all about team building, working together as a team. There's open communication, and really understanding what our purpose is based on our mission statement and our core values. Because one of the things that I let the team know is that I can't write a big enough rule book to cover every single scenario, but our culture, our mission, our values, just listen to those and look at those and figure out what is the best choice. And I would never get mad for for them to make necessarily a quote unquote wrong decision, as long as they follow what our mission and what our core values are, and they made the best choice based on what they have in front of them. So, that is a little glimpse on our company culture and what we're all about. So, hope that helps.